Hey fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I make my clove oil because it's been beneficial to me. So the first thing we need is clove. Okay, we just need 2 spoons of clove and we are good to go. Okay, and the next ingredients we'll be adding to this mixture is rosemary. Rosemary, it's one of the spices used in making dishes. Okay, rosemary, you could either get it fresh one or you could use the dry one. Either of them is very beneficial. So I use 2 spoons of it added to the clove, and to just 2 spoons of each is okay for this remedy. Okay, and the next thing to do is to blend it together. Usually before I knew about this one, I normally use it without blending it. I soak it down with the oil. But when I noticed that when you blend it, it gives you the opportunity for you to get all the nutrients you want from the oil. Okay, so I blend it first, and then after blending it, making sure it is properly blended, as you can see. Okay, the next thing I do is to empty into a bottle, which I'll be leaving my mixture into. Okay, I empty it into a bottle. Okay, a plastic bottle, just like what you see on the screen. And the next thing is to add the oil into it. Usually I use 2 oil, but if you have any additional oil to add, that would be fantastic. Okay, I would have loved to use castor oil or almond oil, but I couldn't get any of those in our local store here, so I used the 2 oil that I will share with you guys. Okay, but if you have any oil that you think can be beneficial to you, you can use it. The first oil I use is olive oil. Olive oil is known for its shiny properties, and also it's helping in straightening hair. I added enough of olive oil. I added enough. In fact, I didn't measure it. Okay, because I use olive oil alone for my hair and I know what it does. Okay, so I added enough that I knew could dissolve the clove and the rosemary I blended together. The next thing was to add my coconut oil. For the coconut oil, I added only 3 spoons. Okay, but for the olive oil, I didn't measure it. You can do it the way you feel comfortable with. This is the way I feel comfortable with. Okay, doing it. So after that, the next thing, after adding the 3 spoons of the coconut oil, the next thing I did was to simply leave the mixture to sit for at least 9 to 10 days. Okay, I needed the oil to penetrate into the clove and for all the nutrient in the clove to come out to absorb. Okay, so I left it to sit for 9 to 10 days, 10 days actually, and after 10 days I got my oil ready. Okay, so this is my 10 days. After 10 days my oil is ready. I got all the nutrients I needed from the clove and the rosemary, and it was good to go. Guys, this is absolutely a remedy that is widely recommended. I used it for my hair and I can testify it is awesome. It is super awesome. Okay, and the next thing is to use a strainer to bring out the chaff from my oil, and my oil is ready. You could see that the clove has really, the oil has really soaked into the clove. Okay, and it is ready, guys. This is the oil I am talking about. This is a magic oil. It is a magic oil. You can use it on anything at all. So guys, this is how I make my clove oil. As you can see, it is ready to be used. Very easy, very efficient, and very effective. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video. So guys, it is time for me to apply the oil on my hair. Okay, so I use the oil anytime I have braids on, or I have cornrow on, or I have my natural hair. I can use it anytime at all. Okay, so I have braids on now, so I'm just gonna apply it down to my hair, section it. The reason why I do apply it to my hair is because it actually makes the hair not to itch me. Okay, makes it not to itch me, and also it keeps it clean for me. Yeah, that's how it works for me actually. So this is my braid. So I'll apply section by section. I actually apply it 3 times in a week if I have braids on. Okay, when I have cornrows, I apply it 4 to 5 times in a week. Okay, this is my perfect clove oil.